This is an NBC News special report.
We are coming on the air this evening with breaking news out of Chicago, Illinois, where an extremely violent tornado has caused significant damage and destruction throughout the Chicagoland area, as well as downtown Chicago. Many neighborhoods in the northern half of the Chicagoland area have all reported significant damage to life and property, and some areas have suffered complete destruction, as well as debris blocking various roadways. Downtown Chicago has also been reported to have been hit the hardest by the tornado, with reports of mangled or collapsed high-rises and severely damaged skyscrapers. The National Weather Service has stated that the tornado was on the ground moving at a very fast pace towards downtown Chicago, at speeds at around 79 to 80 miles per hour, which is very unusual for a tornado. Large fires and gas leaks are being reported all throughout the
We have no word yet on casualties nor deaths, but that is expected to change very soon. Emergency personnel are scrambling to assist injured people as well as people in need, but debris blocking the roadways are making that effort very difficult. This security camera footage in downtown Chicago shows people running for cover as the tornado bears down. Just about a couple of minutes later, the camera goes dark due to the intense winds. The National Weather Service has stated that the tornado was moving at speeds at around 75 to 80 miles per hour, which is very unusual. They will look into this further to determine the cause for the unusual wind speeds. The Illinois Emergency Management Agency has advised residents to avoid traveling into downtown Chicago or areas along the path of the tornado.